Good morning, guys. This is the second day going on morning walk. It's a good cool temperature, maybe 8 to 10 degrees or maybe less, and clean air, greenery, everything. I will share with you now. See the greenery behind, calm and quiet road, no pollution. This is what is needed in the life. I don't think we need anything else than clean air and nature. Maybe I will go half an hour going in the opposite direction from that I went last morning. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and goodbye. We'll come back later with another videos.